Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity given to me. It is a honor to be a presenter at the Borneo International Conference on Education, Social and Science 2021. My name is Melia. I'm from Lambung Mangkurat University, majoring in primary school teacher education. On this occasion, I will present a paper titled Improving the Motivation, Activity and Learning Outcome of Learning for Students Using Racial Learning Model. Introduction: Motivation, Activity and Learning Outcome. The problem: only 9 students are active during learning and get score above or equal to minimal compliance criteria in elementary school, which is 65. In In addition, students also lack in learning. Cause of the problem: low interest in the learning mathematics and learning activities that approach student learning outcome. Students find it different to master mathematical concept. The learning model used is less varied. And reality, motivation, students lack motivation in learning. Students look bored and do not pay attention to teacher explanation during the learning process. Student activity because there is not interest from student, so that is had an impact on student activities. Then when the teacher asks question, only a few students raise their hands and answers question. The learning outcome: only 9 students score above or equal the minimal compliance criteria at the elementary school, which was 65. The solution the problem is they use the Rahasian model. Learning model. This learning model is adapted from the realistic mathematics education, team assisted individually, and course reviews Horai. Realistic mathematical education students active are given the opportunity to rediscover a deep idea for mathematics. Students are encouraged to construct their own realistic problem. Team assisted individually to increase interaction, which is a student activity related to task the account learning. Course review Horizon learning model that can make the learning atmosphere fun so that children do not feel boring in the learning process, and this model can help generate interest and motivation in children. Formulation of the problem. The first, how to increase learning motivation. Two, how to increase student activity. And three, is there an increase in learning outcome? When carrying out learning, use the Rahasian model at SDN Kaludan Luar, Amuntai. There is this purpose. One, describing student motivation. Two, describing student activity. And three, analyzes the improvement of student learning outcome during the mathematic learning process. Use the Rahasia model at SDN Kaludan Luar, Amuntai. Research methodology. In the research approach, the approach used the qualitative and quantitative approach. The type of the research used is a CAR, which is the class action research divides into four stages, namely the first, planning, doing, observing, and reflecting. The setting of the research was carried out at SDN Kaludan Luar, the city of Amuntai in class 4. Indicator of success. The first is a qualitative indicator that includes student motivation and activity. On, on student activity, If students who are categorized as active and very active raise more the equal to 80%. Student learning motivation obtained from observational data in the form of giving questionnaires to students it is site to successful on increase if students are motivated and high motivated to abstract class complementary set more the equal the 80%. Furthermore, quantitative indicators include student learning outcome. Student learning outcome also be too successful if more than or equal to 80% of the total number of students get a follow of more than equal to 70. Result. On the graphic, it can be seen the each meeting show a significant increase in various aspects of the mathematical content used using the Rahasian model at SDN Kaluden Luar Amuntai. Conslu- Conclusion. By using the Rahasia model, student motivation, activity, and learning outcome at SDN Kaluden Luar have increased in each meeting. Suggestion. To teach teacher can be used as input and learning material in coaching a model. Principal can be used the material and contribution of touch in planning, coaching program and preparing training activities for teacher in creating of professional different. Other research can be a reference in improved skill. Thank you.